When your new bed has arrived, you should have the following parts: 4 balls, 1 headboard, 1 footboard, 2 divan base sections, 2 side rails, 8 short bolts screwed into the bed legs, and an Allen key taped to one end of the side rails. Assembling your bed. Remove all bolts from the bed legs. Attach side rails with angles facing inwards and flats at the bottom to the headboard using the bolts found in the bed legs. Only loosely tighten the bolts for now. Repeat the procedure for the footboard. Lay each half of the divan sections into the angle frames. And finally, tighten up all of the bolts securely into the bed legs. From time to time, we advise you check the tightness of the bolts in the bed legs.
Fitting of the bed balls. Take a little time to align the threads carefully and simply screw the bed ball into the top of the bed posts.
You can now add your mattress to the bed, and that's it, all done.